Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this week, we have Milwaukee's new Fuel M18 30-degree framing nailer. This is Milwaukee's brand new gun that they just came out with here this last month. This gun shoots up to a 3.5-inch nail, a full round head, and also a clipped head. It'll shoot about 500 to 700 shots on a 5.0 battery, so if you put a bigger battery in there, it'll shoot more. It's got a nice rafter hook on it as well, with a bump fire mode and then a single fire mode for whatever you guys are doing with it. And so, if I stick a battery in here, I turn it over and this has a little power button, and I'll just hold it for a couple seconds and you'll see it light up there. And like I said, I have a single fire mode and then I have a bump fire mode, and I just switch between those two with this mode button that I hold down. So on single fire mode, there's no fire up time on this, no gas cartridges. Just press the button and it'll fire. And I'll show you here. And it's that easy. This thing will shoot into LVLs, engineered lumber, all your 2x material. I'll actually switch it over to the bump fire mode real quick. Oh, I accidentally turned it off here. Hold the mode down. On bump fire, you're just holding the trigger, and just as many times as you can press it down, that's when it's going to shoot. It'll shoot up to 3 nails per second, so it's pretty quick. So yeah, this thing is awesome. It's really easy to take on the job site. It's really portable, no gas cartridges, no air hoses. That's the main benefit of this. It's also the lightest one in its class for the cordless framing nailers. And so Milwaukee's really made a great gun on this. We have this in stock in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton in all of our stores. So if you want to come check it out, we have it available. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos here on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we post a new video on our YouTube channel. And also just comment down below and let us know which tools you want us to do for Milwaukee Monday. I just kind of choose random ones as I go, so if you want to see something special on our channel, just comment and let me know, and then we'll see you next time on our new Milwaukee Mondays.